all you have to do is visit our site. Registration is free. Look for the women you are interested in. Put them on your help list. If you have plans to meet them in person, then go and meet them. Philippine women are small but terrible. Like we conquer life, we conquer poverty. We can easily adjust into situation as long as we have our family beside us to help us out. Even just a moral support would be a wonderful. That's why Filipinos keeps on smiling no matter how hard life is. Most of the Filipino are grateful to have even small things. Just having a family beside you is wonderful. That's why we keep our family together, closer than anyone can. Here is from Randy. Hi everyone, I am new here. Hello, welcome Randy, how are you? I laughed for the day I walked into the post office yesterday and the guy asked me, can I help you? And I told him, I'm here checking on my mail order bride, and he laughed at me. Yes, it's a funny mail order bride. I'm not sure if of course the women in the Philippines would probably gonna be can be in a box. Yeah, they're tiny women, so it's possible for them. But let's wait for a human traffic enforcer. For that, Randy, you don't have to deal with those anymore. All you have to do is visit our site. Registration is free. And we have those wonderful, lovely ladies in the site. All you have to do is look for the women you are interested in. Put them on your help list. And in the future, if you have plans to meet them in person, then go and meet them. You don't have to wait for the delivery.
too can experience the romantic adventure of a lifetime. Join men from all over the world as they take a trip and find their future brides. Interested? Learn more at cebuwomen.com. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Then click on the notice bell to get notified every time we add something new.